Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine. About a week ago, I picked up a batch of Cotornix quail. These are them. Don't mind their mess. I need to clean this. But these guys have literally doubled in size in a week and have very quickly outgrown this bin that I have them in. So I need to give them something a little bit bigger. So today I'm going to attempt to change this Rubbermaid tote that I have. The lid's already cracked on it, so I think it'll work out pretty well. Let me show you. So here is the Rubbermaid tote that I have, and as you can see, it already has this crack in the lid. The bin's deep enough, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a hole out of the top of the lid and put hardware cloth over the opening, and then I can put the quail in here as a grow out cage. At least that's the plan. I'm just kind of winging it here. I've never had quail before, so this is a new one for me, but I think this is going to work out just fine. So let me grab some supplies, get you guys set up on a tripod, and get this underway. So I got my hubby to help me cut it out because it was really thick plastic, and I cut out a piece of this hardware cloth to fit, and now we're going to attach it with staples. I can just hammer them in. Nicolette, in the garage on Daddy's tool bench, there's a hammer. Would you go grab it for me, please? All right, so we got it all stapled on, and then on the back, I went through and I bent all of the staple points over. So now I'm going to take it inside. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue over those sharp staple ends just as a precaution. And then we're going to get the quail set up in it. So I just covered the staple ends with a blob of hot glue, and that'll just cover all of the pointy edges just in case. While that is drying, I'm going to get some wood chips in the bin and get the quail moved over, and then we can put the lid on. Well, it's not the fanciest of brooders, but I think it's going to work out just fine. And now it has a nice, secure, clasping lid, so I don't have to worry about the cats getting in there. And I think the quail are happy having a little bit more room. So for a quick fix, free project, I'd say this worked out pretty well. And the quail are going to enjoy it for a few more weeks before I need to move them out into their actual hutch, which I'm still figuring out. I think I'm going to try to reuse my old DIY rabbit cages somehow. I'm just not sure how to work that out yet. We'll figure it out. But so that is my little makeshift quail brooder for the day. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.